Welcome to new shit box.
Yo, come check this out.
Typical Ruben activities. We go to the NBA to get tags for the drift Miata, and he forgets the stuff.
He has fucking tags.
I haven't formally opened up this vlog. This is Rowdy Rachel. It's hot as shit. Welcome Homeless Carl. Back to the vlog. But we got fucking historic tags for this. Wow. Hold on. You see this?
Let's do a build breakdown real quick.
You know, Ruben, this is your car. You wanna?
This is a 1995 Mazda Miata MX-5.
Okay.
1.8.
Uh-huh.
It's got a... Don't look at that, actually. It's got a droopy headlight because I think it's caught on the hood. Okay. So we'll take a look at that today. Other than that, the pop-ups work. One of the headlights is out, so I use my high beams at all times.
All right.
It's slammed to the ground. Okay, so this is the limited edition. This is the big dog edition.
Are you sure about that?
So with that, you get DC racing coilovers. You get these nasty over fenders from the factory, right? You get. Hold on, let's do it. Let's do a test. That's just a good exhaust right there. Tastes like this. Welcome to my crib. So we have let's just go. Yeah. Turn signal, and there's like 17 billion jewel pods in there.
Oh my! I didn't see this last night.
Yeah, I know. This build is sponsored by Zip Ties, so we're gonna keep that trend going for as long as we can.
All right. Hold on. Looks like it's on there. All right.
I mean, as long as the Bluetooth connects and that bitch runs, we're good. Vehicle. So you have a drop top that has one clip, because this side doesn't have a clip. So just
all right.
That there.
Excuse me. So the car doesn't start every single time if we just let it sit, leave the lights on. We're basically do anything that needs it to be a car. Give her some gas. There we go. Got all the stuff to wash the cars. Cleaned out the garage. We're gonna wash the cars now. But we're about to bring this piece of shit into my driveway. But I'm pretty sure the last time we tried it, this was too steep. Coming, keep coming. There you go.
Watch me on this side.
Yeah, you're good. There you go. You made it, baby. Yo, the last time, we just drove into the fucking curb and almost blew the whole car up.
Well, this is Rowdy Rachel's initiation into the chop shop.
It's still dirty.
Damn, chop shop needs some updating.
Right.
Look at that. Nut. Hold on.
I really don't know why we don't have Yo! All I'm saying is, you don't need wood blocks. You don't read them, you use them to lift you to a higher place.
Well, the chop shop is fucking illiterate. The front wheels feel way back.
We gave up. Waxing my car. No way, shape, or form a detail man.
Some trash.
Damn. It's crazy what a little bit of Windex and spit does. I've literally got the whole car covered in wax, bumper to bumper. So now all I'm gonna do is, all I'm saying is, my car is a bad bitch now. Look, you can see the cloud, the fucking.
Oh my God, Samantha, is that you?
Washed, waxed. We're not gonna talk about the tires though. Yo, it's crazy what a little bit of tire shine does. It's almost like I mean, damn, look at that. It's almost like I cared about my car.
In case you guys didn't know, this is actually what a GT86 is supposed to look like in the factory. As you can see, there's no type of dirt on it, no type of tires on it. The tips, okay, so let me explain something to you guys. When I first met Carl, these tips were black, right? They were black for a good like 4 or 5 months, and I just thought that they were black tips. And then he washed them one day, and I thought he got new tips. It's like it just, hold on, just not pay attention to that. Looks like it just rolled off the factory in 1995.
What'd you use to clean this?
Windex, elbow grease, and a dirty microfiber. Hey, bro, hey, whoa, hey, don't touch my car, don't touch my car. Hey, no, please.
This is the best my car is gonna look for the next 3 days. He's gonna take a shower.
We might fuck around and shower together.
And then we're gonna go to a meet. We're going to the meet. So technically it's like it's a park and chill for a little bit, and then it kind of turns into whatever the fuck. But yo, oh my God, this is like the best my car has ever looked, like ever. God damn, watch out! Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo, good looks. Good looks. have to take that euro back. This dude just drove over the curb.
I don't know what happened, but apparently he drove over the curb.
He drove over the curb.
Tires.
I don't know how to explain it. Like, I was just leaving and I just stopped. So I'm on the phone with Ruben and I just see this like car slide over the curb and I just hear it. I was like, oh fuck. But luckily he didn't crack his oil pan or anything like that. He just got two flats. And I think his front lip came off.
I have a turn signal.
Shit. Well, alright. That's it. That's the end of the video. If you enjoyed my video, please take the time, hit that subscribe button. Really close to 1,000, so that really helps. Or you can follow me on Instagram. You can follow him on Instagram. You do all those things and hit the subscribe button. You can hit the like button too. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.